Principle of Lesson 39. Word ending liti and a preceding vowel is represented by a disjoint L. Ability, ability. Personality, PRSN, disjoint L, liti. Locality, LOK, liti, or disjoint L. Reliability, REL, long IB, disjoint L. Qualities, disjoint K, disjoint L, S. Responsibilities, RSP, disjoint L, S. Word ending LTY and a preceding vowel is also represented by a disjoint L. Faculty, FAK, disjoint L. Loyalty, LOY, disjoint L. Penalty, PN, disjoint L. Word ending self is represented by S. Herself, HERS, or self. Himself, HEM, self, or S. Itself, TS. Yourself, right S. Myself, M, long I, left S. Oneself, N, left S. Word ending selves is represented by ses, the left and then the right S. Themselves, over it, M, ses. Ourselves, R, ses. Yourselves, ses.